Hey, good morning. Oh my gosh. Slept for 9 hours. It has been a crazy couple days with work. Well, actually a whole week. Work, no sleep. Just going for it. Yes, the hair looks a little funky right now. Let's see. Can you see this? I don't know. My thing keeps moving. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that hair. Okay. Oh. I have no idea what we're doing today. It's C-Day. So, I know we want to do C-Day brunch. We haven't seen Lee, the cruise director. We had a little issue with, so we had some onboard credit. There was some little issue with our count summaries, money not showing up. Anyway, it took a little bit of time, longer than we expected over at guest services. We totally missed sail away. We caught the last half of it. You saw in the last video. But it was a great day. Danced to Latin music late last night. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and link it up here. But oh my gosh, of course, it's always in the playlist. So far, it's been really great. We explored a little bit. I'm going to do a little more filming, exploring today. Sorry about yesterday. It has just been like a lot. So, all right. So I'm going to go ahead and get myself together. And Letty's already getting herself together. And, well, she's in the shower. So, all right. So, okay, we're off. I gotta get this, gotta put it together. We're getting C-Day started. This is about it. This is about all I can do today. It's got a little flip-flops, same ones from yesterday. And I have my little Cabo Wabo shirt that I got in Cabo San Lucas. If you haven't seen those videos, I'll link the playlist. Will I link the playlist? I'll go find the playlist.
It said it's 10:26, not too bad. It only took us,
30 minutes? I don't know how long it took us. All right, so it's time to go eat some breakfast because we're starving. We didn't eat that much yesterday. Jumping in.
See what I mean? It's beginning already.
We're getting out.
It's starting already.
She's not sure what we're doing, but we're going. Okay, we're going to Aft, so I think we can go. I think we went this way and this way. We don't know. Oh yeah, because we were on the side of all the, remember when we came up here and the Palm restaurant was straight back? Okay.
All right, I believe you.
Ooh, look at those beautiful stairs. I love this. This is picture place. It's going to be a picture place. All right, so we got some shops here. This is all getting to the Palm restaurant. So this is the French Quarter.
I'm still really tired because I just had some very dumb moments right now.
And then...
Like literally, so our day begins.
Okay. Bistro. Lido's Bistro. Everybody. All right. Got the huevos rancheros, which I love. And got my butter. I'm waiting on my biscuit. All right, so I got they actually got me 2 biscuits and 2 butters, but I am full, so I think that's it.
No more coffee.
No. Thank you. And I got my cranberry juice. I've been sucking that down. And I just got water for today. Breakfast was very good. I'm very full. I forgot to get my bacon, but I'm okay. I will survive. There's always tomorrow. So, tomorrow. Alright. I know I just had breakfast, but I gotta find Shaq's Big Chicken. I feel like chicken. It's happening. Okay, finally made it. Trying to figure out where everything's at. Finally made it to the Lido. It's been a while. So, that's okay though. Doing my different things that I really do love. I like that.
It's right here.
All right, I just want a couple pieces of chicken and a few fries, and that's it. I'm a simple girl. Thank you.
I'll come back later.
Woo! All right, I got my chicken, which I'm super excited about. I'm gonna eat it. We're heading down to Family Feud.
I say family, you say feud. Family, yeah, family, yeah. When I say family, you say feud. Family, yeah, family, yeah. I think we're ready. Please welcome your host. It's Lido, cruise director.
Thank you so much, Tyler. Keep that applause going for Tyler, everyone. Now, good afternoon. Who's excited for Family Feud Live? Me too. Now I know what you're thinking. Hang on a second. This little English guy, he can't even grow a mustache. Well, that's true. I'm 35. I don't have a mustache, but what I do have with this game is a ton of fun. Who's seen Family Feud on TV? Incredible, Steve Harvey. So, where's Steve? He missed the shit. He was supposed to be here. Don't worry. My middle name's Steven. We're fine. I got this. Now, friends, as Tyler said.
So you know me and desserts. Here's some nice stuff at Java Blue. Good stuff. But here are these desserts. And I think I'm going to have to get one of these. Hi! So we're out, hanging out, having a good drink. And we went and saw Family Feud, and that was so much fun. Can't wait to see the live show tomorrow night.
DJ Chris. Oh.
We hung out on the Lido deck for a little while, but Letty has an A, and of course I can't let her eat alone, okay? I really can't. So I decided I had to get another piece of chicken. I'm gonna try the potato salad, because you know I'm a potato salad aficionado. Not really, but I try to be. So I'm gonna try it. Here's our view.
Here. Then I got myself something. It has a little taste that I don't know if I like. But
Maybe you need salt. Need salt?
No, straight out to the right.
I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling it. So.
Let me see.
I think I need salt.
All right, so I'm going to try the potato salad. Put a little bit of salt on it. Let's see.
I think I need salt.
Yeah,
It's not my favorite. Not my favorite, but it needs a little salt.
Yeah, not my favorite either.
So, It's always really fun to look at the stuff on the Lido that's happening. I think a lot of the things have changed a little bit. You know, considering we've done, you know, like took away like hairy chest contest. Also, what was the other
That
one?
was so much
There was
fun,
another one. There was another one. Oh, lip sync challenge, things like that. But they brought in different shows. We really enjoyed going and watching Family Feud. Of course, can't be recorded. There's some copyright crap, you know, all that stuff. But we want to go see the finals, and I don't know if I quite like how it's set up in the evening for tomorrow night, because you have 3 different times for 3 different sets of families for it to, you know, play. But I'm like, I mean, why do them all in one night? Maybe pace them out a little bit. That would have been like really nice. So just a little bit, but that's just my opinion. So I don't know, Carnival, if you're listening, like, I don't know why you would do them all in one night, like 7:30, 9:30, 11:30. I don't know. Just seems a little weird to me. All right, gotta keep eating. I haven't had any dessert. This is a shame. All right, I'm getting it tonight. All right, I will not leave you guys hanging. All right, so we are. Hey, how's it going?
Very good. How are you? Yeah.
Always. All right, so last time I was walking through the hall, watch Letty's channel, because Ice Ice Baby seemed to be the song of the day. But we are going to go to explore a little bit of the front of the ship, because we have not been up there. The ship is huge. There's so many decks. So normally you can go to like 2 or 3 decks, and those are kind of your main decks. And this one, you have several freaking decks to go on. So you have all the upper Lidos, which are 16, 17, 18 with all your activities. And then you also have like 6, 7, and 8, which have a ton of activities as well. Those last night you saw us in the Havana bar. Oh my gosh, getting down, getting busy. And then, so now we're going to go check the front of the ship and see what, well, I kind of want to look at a little bit more of the ocean. So, right? We need to see a little more of the ocean. And tonight we're going to Elegant Night. So, although we're not elegant people, we're just, we're laid back people. Okay, you all know I am a sucker for the Carnival butter. Yeah, I am not ashamed of it either. And we're going in deep. Alright.
You do that with a passion.
What is your number?
Got some broccoli.
Thank you.
And we got steak, mashed potatoes, and vegetables.
Now let's see these moves. It's a party after all. Good evening this side of the Lido. How are we doing over here? You good? What about my friends over here? You look incredible. Okay, everybody grab your glitter. Sprinkle your glitter. Other hand, sprinkle your glitter. One more time, sprinkle it. Chorus time. What can we do? Ooh la la! Oh. If you're gonna rock this party, let's start right here, right now. Mardi Gras, let's go! We will rock you! What was that? We will rock you! That's more like it. Keep it going. Stomp, stomp, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap. One more chorus. classic. I know you know it, so sing it loud and proud. We are the champions. Let's hear it. No fighting, please. No fighting. If you want to dance with somebody, let me hear you say, woo! Dance it out, friends. It's an 80s. Friends, if you want to make this the best cruise you've ever been on, get your hands up in the air right now. Both hands up in the air. And let's make so much noise. San Juan hears us coming. Let's go! A singer in a smoky room. The smell of cheap perfume. For a smile, you can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Straight jump, jump, jump. Waiting, where? Up and down the boulevard, there's shadows searching in the night. Well, this party ain't over, so we'll go one more chorus. Everybody take 16, 17, and 18. Don't stop believing. Everybody, bounce, 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 bounce.
Oh my gosh, there was so much dancing. So it started at 10, like a little after 10. We went to the Rock and Glow party, and it is after 12. And I danced the whole time. It was amazing. So a bunch of 80s, 70s, Motown, hip hop. Oh, it was everything. It was so great. I had such a good time. So I filmed some of it, as you saw, but I didn't film inside the Limelight Lounge because it was kind of dark, and so I just gave up and shook my booty. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Okay, I can't sing right now. I think I lost my voice, so the next video, you may not hear me at all. I don't know. Stay tuned. Oh, well, tomorrow's another sea day. And well, we ride the roller coaster tomorrow, so I have no idea what we're doing before that, but we'll figure it out. All right, well, take care. As you can tell, I've already showered and stuff. I'm so ready for bed. All right, take care. Have a great day.